Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying ports and gathering the right cable. Check your Surface Pro model and note whether it has USB-C, mini display port, or only Surface Connect. This determines the adapter you need. Once you have a USB-C to HDMI or mini DP to HDMI cable or a Surface dock, plug in the power so the tablet won't throttle the external display. Make sure the monitor is on and set to the correct input. This avoids input hunting and speeds the next steps. Now connect the cable firmly. If you're converting signals, mini DP to HDMI, use an active adapter for reliable syncing. Once connected, use Settings System Display on your Surface to detect the monitor. Windows usually finds it automatically, but Detect helps when it doesn't. Choose Extend, Duplicate, or Second Screen only depending on workflow, and then adjust resolution and scaling so text and windows look sharp. If the external screen should be primary, set it as main. To finish, fine-tune refresh rate and color settings for smooth motion and correct colors. Mismatched rates can cause flicker or judder. Make sure Windows Update and your GPU and Surface firmware are current, because driver mismatches often break external displays. If you see no signal, check the cable and monitor input first, then unplug and replug the adapter. Restart the Surface if needed, and try a different adapter or monitor to isolate the fault. This quickly tells you whether it's the cable, the port, or the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.